Have you ever seriously thought about the absolute madman who discovered cow's milk? Let's set the scene. It's roughly 10,000 years ago. A guy is standing in a field, staring at a massive 1,000-pound beast with giant horns that could trample him to death in an instant. He looks at this terrifying animal, looks down at the weird, pink, fleshy, dangling things underneath it, and says to his friend, "You know what? I'm going to go over there, squeeze those things, and drink whatever comes out." Weird, right? But it happened nonetheless. What would you have done in that particular situation? You are a herder, keeping these beasts for meat and labor. Even though you're starving, you don't want to kill the beast. It is your free employee. Then, all of a sudden, you see this baby calf jumping around full of energy, go underneath the mighty beast with horns and start sucking the pink, pointy, dangling thingies, and then come out of there with pure satisfaction on its face. Out of sheer desperation, you would definitely decide to try it for yourself. It is, without a doubt, one of the most unhinged and objectively bizarre decisions in human history. How thirsty did you have to be to look at a cow and see a beverage dispenser? But the weirdness doesn't stop at the discovery. From a purely biological standpoint, drinking milk as an adult human is actually a freakish genetic mutation. Let's look at how nature normally works. Every mammal on Earth, dogs, cats, whales, monkeys, produces milk to feed their babies. When the baby gets old enough to eat solid food, the mother stops making milk and the baby stops drinking it. That is the rule, and more importantly, once a mammal grows up, its body literally shuts down the ability to digest milk. It stops producing an enzyme called lactase, which is required to break down the sugars in milk. If an adult dog or an adult chimpanzee tries to chug a glass of milk, they will immediately experience violent, terrible stomach cramps and explosive diarrhea. And for the vast majority of human history, we were exactly the same. Being lactose intolerant isn't a disease or a medical condition, it is actually the default setting for the human body. If you put a glass of milk in front of an adult caveman 50,000 years ago, it would have ruined his entire week. So how did we go from getting violently ill from dairy to pouring it over our cereal every morning? It all comes down to a literal genetic glitch. Around 10,000 years ago, somewhere in Northern Europe and simultaneously in parts of Africa, a random genetic mutation occurred in a few human beings. This mutation broke the biological timer in their bodies, meaning their stomachs never stopped producing that lactase enzyme even after they grew up. Scientists call this lactase persistence. Essentially, these people were mutants with a very specific, weird superpower. They could digest cow juice. Normally, a random mutation like that wouldn't change the entire world, but 10,000 years ago, times were incredibly tough. Food was scarce, winters were brutal, and crops failed constantly. If you couldn't find food, you starved to death. But the humans with this weird genetic glitch suddenly had a massive cheat code. They had access to a rich, fatty, calorie-dense liquid that was completely renewable. You didn't have to kill the cow to get the calories, you just had to keep it happy and squeeze it every morning. During famines and brutal winters, the humans who couldn't drink milk starved or got wildly sick trying to drink it. But the mutants, they thrived. They survived the winters, had more children, and passed on their milk-drinking mutant genes. It was pure, hardcore natural selection. The ability to drink milk gave early humans such a massive survival advantage that the mutation rapidly spread across entire continents. So, the next time you order a latte or eat a slice of cheese, take a moment to respect the absolute absurdity of what you are doing. You are participating in a 10,000-year-old tradition that started with a deeply questionable decision in a field and only succeeded because of a freak genetic glitch that gave our ancestors the ultimate survival superpower. You aren't just drinking milk, you are flexing a mutant gene that kept humanity alive through the ice and snow. If you want to learn more about the bizarre glitches in human history, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.